Hello everyone. So here Shabbir Baloch from Pakistan. I'm the president of Youth Parliament Balochistan and president of Saryam Team Yarwai Balochistan. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm gold medalist, a debater across Pakistan, and I'm working on youth. I'm a leader of youth, and I'm ambassador of Nizam Peace Global, and in different NGOs I'm working as a volunteer. So this video which I'm making especially for my beloved friend, he really impressed me. So before I introduce him, I just share this proverb especially for him, that no gain, no pain, no gains without pains. Really, he spent his time for such kind of things. He made a lots of things. I really impressed by his work. He is great for me. So here I'm going to share his name. That his name is Zubair Azubair, and he burned Kano State, the most populated in Nigeria, and is a human rights activist, and also is a writer, and is columnist also, and is life coach also, and is public affairs kind. He has a very kind soul. So when I met with him by social media, I really impressed by his working. So I'm going to share his awards which he achieved. First award, the best human right award of the year 2019 he got, and is also the award which he gained, Iron Able Muslim USA Best active member. He worked there. Such a great thing he got, and also World Dialogue Council is a best ambassador there also, and also he is an ambassador of Nizam Global Peace. Also I got that that certificate also, which he got. And also now I'm going to share his NGOs working, which he is doing as a volunteer, which he is working. So Zubair, I really appreciate you, believe me, and you are an inspiration for me also, as well for our youth also. You really impressed the world